Instant noodles are something everyone has eaten before, but making them this way is truly different. They taste better, are less filling, and are extremely quick and easy to make. If you still think instant noodles are just for filling up, this video might change your mind. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple ways to transform instant noodles using familiar ingredients that anyone can make at home, but the taste is immediately different. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Crack those eggs into a bowl. Whisk until well combined. Break up 1 packet of instant noodles. Add to the bowl of eggs 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and add 1/3 teaspoon of paprika for flavor. Add the chopped green onions and mix well so that the noodles and eggs are evenly coated with the seasoning. Place a pan on the stove over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, coating the pan evenly. When the oil is hot, pour in the entire egg noodle mixture. Spread it evenly and sprinkle a little black sesame seeds on top. Fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until the bottom is lightly browned. Then flip it over. Sprinkle 50 grams of shredded cheese on top. Fry for another 3 minutes until the cheese melts. Then sprinkle a little parsley on top to finish. The finished egg noodles are crispy on the outside, soft and creamy on the inside, with the aroma of eggs and cheese. Try a bite and you'll immediately notice how different this instant noodle dish is from the usual. Next, add water to a small pot and bring it to a boil. When the water boils, add 2 packets of noodle seasoning and stir well until dissolved. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Stirred. Beat them, then slowly pour the eggs into the pot, stirring gently as you pour to create thin, beautiful ribbons of egg in the water. In just a few minutes, you can have a bowl of hot egg noodle soup, topped with cilantro or green onions. This dish is very simple, easy to eat, and perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner when you don't have much time to cook. And it's truly wonderful to connect with people from all over the world through simple dishes like this. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button to support me. Thank you so much for watching. Recipe 2. Flavorful seafood stir-fried noodles. First, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add 2 packets of noodles and blanch for about 2 minutes until the noodles are just tender. Add 2 packets of noodles and blanch for about 2 minutes until the noodles are just tender. This step prevents the noodles from breaking when stir-frying. Reserve the noodle cooking water. Add 4 packets of seasoning that come with the noodles and stir well to create a rich sauce, which will be used to mix with the noodles later. Place a pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat lightly, then pour into the pan and stir quickly until the eggs are just cooked. Then transfer to a plate and set aside. Using the same pan, add another tablespoon of cooking oil. Slice half an onion into thin strips. Then add to the pan and sauté over medium heat until the onion is soft and fragrant. Meanwhile, prepare 4 cloves of minced garlic. Then add the garlic to the pan and stir quickly to release the aroma. Next, add along with half a green bell pepper and half a red bell pepper, both thinly sliced. Add about 350 grams of cabbage. And stir fry for about 30 to 40 seconds until the vegetables and peppers are just cooked through, still retaining their crispness and vibrant color. When the vegetables are just cooked, add the shrimp and squid to the pan. Stir fry over high heat until the seafood is firm, changes color, and no longer releases water. Season with 1/2 teaspoon seafood seasoning and 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Add the blanched noodles. Stir well so that the noodles absorb the seasoning and are loose and not sticky. Scrambled eggs to the pan. Pour in the sauce prepared from the noodle cooking water. Finally, add green onions. Stir for about 30 seconds, then turn off the heat. The seafood stir-fried noodles are now ready, with fluffy noodles, rich flavor, naturally sweet seafood, and crisp, fresh vegetables. This is an instant noodle dish that has been upgraded into a hearty meal, suitable for both lunch and dinner. If you don't have much time to prepare seafood, the following recipe is an extremely convenient, quick, and delicious option. Recipe 3. First, prepare 100 grams of sliced squid and place it in a bowl. Season with a little salt, ground pepper, and about 2.5 milliliters of wine. Mix well so that the squid absorbs the seasoning and helps remove the fishy smell. Let the squid rest for a few minutes While preparing the other ingredients, place a pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the squid and stir-fry quickly until it changes color and curls up. Next, add the mushrooms and stir-fry together. Stirring evenly until the squid and mushrooms are cooked through, then push the mixture to the sides of the pan, leaving the center empty. Crack 1 egg into the center of the pan and fry directly to your desired doneness. Then turn off the heat and set the egg squid mushroom mixture aside. Next, use another pot or clean the pan, add a little cooking oil and heat it up. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Then add the diced tomatoes and stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes soften, release their juices, and turn a beautiful red color. Season with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, stirring gently to enhance the flavor of the tomatoes. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the pot and bring to a boil again. When the water boils, add the noodles and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until just done, being careful not to overcook them so they don't become mushy. Next, add the bok choy to the pot and cook for an additional 30 to 40 seconds until the vegetables are just cooked through, retaining their green color and crispness. Taste and adjust the seasoning, then turn off the heat. Scoop the noodles into a bowl, top with squid, sautéed mushrooms, and fried eggs. The noodle bowl has a mild tomato tang, a broth fragrant with garlic, and is delicious when eaten with eggs and noodles, light on the stomach, yet full of flavor. It's perfect for a quick dinner, or when you want to switch things up with instant noodles. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. So, with just instant noodles combined with eggs and some very familiar ingredients, I've shared with you 3 simple variations that taste distinctly different. They're not complicated, don't take much time, but each dish has its own unique highlight. The eggs make the dish richer, softer, and easier to eat, while the noodles are more flavorful and less cloying than the usual way of cooking. If you love simple egg recipes that are low in oil and easy to make every day, I hope this video will give you some new ideas to turn familiar dishes into something tastier, especially on busy days. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world through simple, everyday dishes like this. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button now to join me in discovering more simple yet surprising egg recipes. If you have any tips or secrets for egg dishes, please share them with me in the comments section. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more delicious, easy-to-make egg recipes every day.